Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and look at what's just turned up. Yep, you guessed it, it's the DJI RS2. Now this is one good looking box, but you don't want to be sat here for the next 5 minutes staring at it, so let's crack it open. Okay, so this is what you get in the box with the DJI RS2. Now we've got right here this beautiful travel case, which just makes the whole gimbal a lot more portable. Really nice, looks good too, always a bonus. USB-C charging cable, our power adapters for our camera, so you've got multiple types there as well. Lens support, cable tie, camera mounting screws, so that you can screw your base plate into your camera. We've got a base plate here, and then we've got a base plate here as well. And this one's our dual layer base plate, which is Manfrotto and Arca Swiss compatible too. Looks lovely. And then we've also got our miniature tripod right here, our extension to our grip, our power grip just here, and our main gimbal just here. And your instruction manual. Awesome, so you get quite a few accessories included, very similar to the Ronin S. But let's now talk about the differences and what's new before we set this bad boy up and balance our camera. The most noticeable difference is in its construction. The RS2 is made from carbon fibre, which makes it weigh a grand total of 1.3 kilograms. So that's 0.54 kilograms less than the original Ronin S and lighter than its competition. Also, being carbon fibre, we get that nice little go faster red stripe on the side, which makes it look pretty rad. Don't be fooled though, its lighter construction has no impact on its payload. It's been tested to 4.5 kilograms, making this gimbal capable of stabilising your mirrorless cameras, your larger DSLRs, and even compact cinematic video cameras. We've got a nice large 1.4-inch full-colour LCD touchscreen, which just makes it a far nicer user experience for accessing your features and also camera view. There's also a front dial for focus, which just improves single-handed control, and a fine-tuning knob for some quick balancing. The RS2 has got a 12-hour battery life to keep you shooting all day, and fast charging. You only need to wait around now for an hour and a half until this bad boy is fully charged. But if all of this wasn't enough for you, then the RS2 has also got some brilliant creative features, such as active track, 3D autofocus, time tunnel, track, and hyperlapse. All of these modes make it really easy for you to create that cinematic look and feel. Okay, enough talking, let's get this camera balanced. Making sure we've got hold of our gimbal, we just want to slide our camera onto the front like so. Brilliant. Now, making sure that we've got hold of the roll axis just here, what I like to do is just flip it into its locked position, so it's not going to be flapping around, because what we want to concentrate on is fixing this. So we're going to want to make sure that we can get our camera nice and level. So as you can see here, it is tilting forward quite a lot. So we are just going to move it forwards and backwards until we get it into the position that we want. Okay, perfect. And once you've done that, just lock it into place with the lever on the side there. Next up, we need to make a balance adjustment to our tilt axis, the one just on the side here. So to do this, loosen this screw right here and tilt our camera upwards. As we do that, we want it to stay nice and level. So just move backwards and forwards along here until you get it in the right position. Perfect. So if we tighten up that screw, then we can move on to our next adjustment for the roll axis. So what I'm going to do is just unlock it, and as you can see, it swings right down. Now Now this isn't what we want. What we want is for our camera to be nice and level. So on the back here, we've got a lock again. If we just unlock this and make those slight adjustments until we can make sure that everything is nice and level. Okay, perfect. Once you've done that, just remember to lock that off again, just so that there are no little surprises that happen during filming. And then we've got one more adjustment to make, and that is to our pan axis. To do this, unlock that screw on the side and tilt the RS2 forward and move your camera to 45 degrees. Now what we're looking for is no movement in the roll axis at the back here. Now we've got no movement here, which means our pan axis is properly balanced. If it's not, then just move this bit backwards and forwards until it is. Voila! It is as quick and simple as that to balance your gimbal. Now for those of you that are after a versatile video tool, well, let me tell you right now, the RS2 has definitely got you covered. You're able to car mount, attach to a jib, a dolly, a slider, a cable cam, and of course, use it handheld too. If you've enjoyed this unboxing and first look, then please give us a like. And if you want to see what content we can create using this gimbal, then don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. If you'd like to find out any more information on the DJI RS2, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your local store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one.